BYD just launched the first $9,000 sodium battery changing the EV industry. A sodium-ion battery-powered electric car may present the next generation of electric automobiles. How good is the new electric car in practice, and that can it rival its lithium competitors? Lithium to sodium. The ideal battery material for the EV sector would be one with cheaper rapid charging and no supply problems. Chinese business leaders are ready to make this dream a reality. According to reports, BYD, which stands for Build Your Dreams, is an automaker from Shenzhen and would introduce a sodium-ion battery with its entry-level hatchback. Local media sites claim that BYD's Seagull is the first mass-produced electric car to use sodium and ion chemistry, which is safer, more cost-effective, and environmentally more friendly than the standard lithium-ion-based packs that it replaces. Lithium iron phosphate or LFP packs for entry-level EVs with shorter ranges are being proposed to be replaced by the sodium-ion batteries. Since they don't contain lithium, cobalt, copper, or graphite, they can contain much fewer raw ingredients and cost less to create while nevertheless being recyclable, similar to a lithium-ion battery. Advantages. Let's first review the sodium along with some background knowledge to comprehend its revolutionary character. Although sodium and lithium are close to each other in the periodic table and share many of the same physical and chemical characteristics, sodium is more than 1,000 times more common because of its presence in salt rather than in sodium chloride. In addition to being more simple to mine and process, sodium is more environmentally friendly than mining lithium, which has negative environmental effects. When lithium is extracted, the surrounding area is inevitably contaminated with harmful chemicals, including our most valuable resource, drinking water. Sodium-ion batteries are also simple to recycle. However, every ton of lithium obtained by hard rock mining results in a release of 15 tons of carbon dioxide. Test results. Even though the initial disadvantage of sodium-ion batteries, low energy density, is about to be eliminated. CATL is currently quoting the first generation of sodium-ion cells up to 160 watt-hours per kilogram, which is higher than the first generation battery pack that Tesla employed in its Model 3 standard range Plus in 2020. Surprisingly, a little-known Chinese business by the name of Vihicle was the first to test sodium-ion batteries in a little city runabout, and the results were quite good. Sodium-ion battery with a 120 watt-hour capacity per kilogram was installed in the Vihicle E10X. The petite 25,000 watt-hour sodium-ion battery has a lifetime average of 390,000 miles and can recharge about 80% of its capacity in just 15 minutes, making it ideal for short-distance city driving. Additionally, tests confirmed that the battery can withstand 2,000 to 3,000 charging cycles. Those are astounding numbers for an electric car that only costs $6,800. Mass manufacturing will ultimately see a 40% reduction in battery costs, making the dream of inexpensive electric automobiles a reality. Nevertheless, BYD is likely to be the first business to introduce the sodium-ion battery electric automobiles with their most popular models. With over 1.8 million units expected to be sold worldwide in 2022, BYD is the largest and fastest growing maker of rechargeable cars. The company has already started studying and evaluating the materials for sodium-ion batteries. The city runabout provided both sodium and lithium-ion battery variants, with the former estimated to cost as little as $80,484, and the lithium-ion version expected to cost around $11,600. The lithium-ion version of the BYD Seagull has a range of 250 miles compared to the sodium-ion's model of 185 miles. However, as sodium-ion technology develops, they also plan to use it in shorter-range versions of the company's best-selling models such as the BYD Auto 3. The BYD Seal or the BYD Han has batteries that are still the most expensive component on an electric vehicle. The sodium-ion batteries will initially be displayed in smaller EVs of the company such as the BYD Dolphin and the new Seagull. Assuming lithium battery prices stay high until 2026, this will further lower the cost of more expensive versions and make electric vehicles more accessible in the long run. Sodium-ion batteries have a window of opportunity to grow because the title already began mass-producing sodium-ion batteries as well as having a long-term collaboration with automakers like Tesla. As a consequence, the sodium-ion battery has a great potential for widespread use in the industry and turning into a standard for safe, dependable, and most importantly, reasonably priced electric cars. So what are your thoughts on the innovation by BYD and the potential of sodium-ion batteries? Comment down below.